Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Lexus RX 350. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims, with a panoramic sunroof, navigation, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, as well as heated and cooled leather seats and backup camera. Now on to the interior. We'll take a look at a few of the features on the door panel. You can see we have a two-tone black and dark brown with some red stitching in there. We also have our wooden trim, chrome door handle, 3 memory seat options, then our close handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in option. Below we have our speaker and storage. On the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel here, we have our lighting settings, heated steering wheel option, rear view camera option, and then we have our power tailgate release and heads-up display controls. Odometer settings, as well as our lighting controls. Gauge cluster with screen in the middle. On the steering wheel we have controls for our odometer, as well as our front collision alert and lane departure warning. Cruise control stalk underneath that. Lexus badge in the middle. Then off to the left we have our radio and volume controls. The wheels finished in a combination of wood and leather. It's also a heated steering wheel. Then we have our push start. Infotainment screen is kind of recessed into the top here. So we are on a navigation right now. We can also swap over to our radio. And this is all controlled using this kind of trackpad down here. It matches the size of the screen in terms of movement. And we actually swap over to the radio. It kind of has a bit of a notch feel to it when we're selecting our different options. They go back to the maps. It's back smooth. Pretty cool feature. You have to kind of use it to kind of understand what I'm saying. And then we have our Lexus clock, our radio and climate controls with CD player. We have a wireless charging pad underneath, as well as an on and off button for that pad. 12-volt charging port, auto park brake hold, and our heated and cooled seat controls. Gear selection stock. 2 cup holders. We also have our controls for the infotainment screen, a nice little rest for our palm here, and then we have the enter options off to either side. You can see the navigation just kind of adjusts the direction we're looking in. And we have our drive mode selection, differential lock and traction control. Center console has plenty of storage inside, as well as some charging outlets. The front seats are featured in leather, with perforated leather and red stitching throughout, and again they're heated and cooled. Our rear view mirror. Above that we have a sunglass holder, dome lights and dome light settings, and our sunroof and moonroof controls for our panoramic sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior of the Lexus, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Lexus badge center caps. We have paint matched mirror caps and door handles. Rear privacy tint. And then around to the back we have our Lexus and RX 350 badging, dual exhaust, and again a power activated liftgate. Inside we have plenty of storage room, rear privacy cover, and rubber mats. Now on to the rear interior. We'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features a sunshade for the rear passengers, speaker tweeter, again that two-tone brown and black, chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seat we have leather magazine holders. Just kind of fold out. Back of the center console area we have our rear heated seat options and charging outlet with storage underneath. The rear seats are featured in a 60-40 split with fold down center of the seat, featuring small center console area which doubles as an armrest, and then our cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Lexus RX 350. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Wolfe Cadillac sometime very soon.